All right, guys, here it is, DJI Mavoc Pro. I actually picked up the Fly More combo, the bundle from B&H Photo. Great website, I think. I'll show you guys a quick review of kind of just an unpackaging of the original thing, how B&H sends it. I know they've got a lot of expensive products out there that I kind of second guessed how they might come. Obviously, you want to worry about how it's shipped and all that stuff when you're spending a lot of money on something. This one was a little south of $1,000. Pretty pricey, but it's been the drone I've been just saving up for. I've been wanting it for 2 years now, and now that they finally came out with the 2, this one was still kind of at last year's Black Friday prices, so I figured why not, let's go ahead and get it. But yeah, B&H Photography, I think is what it is. A great website. I purchased an old camera back in the day from them quite a few years ago, and I hadn't bought anything since from them, so it's not like I was hesitant. I just wanted to kind of make sure I was making the right in the best decision money-wise, to see how much I could get for everything. So, I did cut the box open already, but I figured I'd just kind of show you guys how they send something of quite value. Obviously, air bubble mailers. Go ahead and just chuck those on the ground, and here comes the prized stuff. All right, I'm gonna lower the camera down a little bit. You guys get a little bit better view. That way it's not so far up. All right, I'm hunting down a knife. That way I can get into it. I'm assuming that this is exactly the way it probably would have came from DJI as well. All right, there it is. Go ahead and unpackage the whole thing. Nice little carrying handle if you bought it in the store or something like that. We'll go ahead and just slide it on up. I'll let you guys check it out. That way you guys can know exactly. It's the Mavoc Pro Fly More combo. Obviously I got a couple more batteries, get a couple more propellers, stuff like that. We'll go ahead and see how it normally comes. It's always so fun and exciting opening new packages. I wasn't impressed with this case. Looking at it online, I kind of wanted a hard case, but now that I look at it, this is really nice. It really is. Kind of like a normal kind of a camera case, but you can tell this one's heavy. The drone's already inside here. All right, so we got all our user manuals, probably registration materials, all packaged up here. All how the instructions on how to use the batteries, the Fly More, the car charger. And then they do have a DJI Care refresh, obviously kind of like something similar, I imagine, to Apple Care, where they, you can get some kind of insurances on them. There we got all kinds of little accessories here. Obviously the drone is not in here. This is all this is basically the Fly More bundle. Batteries, chargers. Let's see what else is in here. I'd seen a couple deals like this on Black Friday I was originally kind of waiting up on Cyber Monday, thinking that eBay and stuff like that was gonna have a pretty nice price on them. They were $5.99 through eBay, but they were refurbished. Spending the kind of money on this, I didn't want to get a refurbished one, so that's why I kept looking around. And obviously, nice controller. I've actually got to fly one of these one time before. I don't remember, exactly how it felt, but this is great. Remote is great quality. Obviously, you got little antennas here that help boost us the signal, I imagine. But pardon me fumbling around. It's me not knowing how it works yet. But yeah, I know these come down. They accept the iPhone right here, and you're able to fly it around. These have a nice little kind of heads-up display here. I know it tells you elevation and all kinds of stuff. That'll be further videos. This is just a quick unboxing to show you what comes all with the Fly More combo. Obviously, you got your charging stuff, all this kind of stuff. But I can't take it anymore. Let's get into the good stuff. Oh, there it was, right here. I don't know if you're a package geek like me, but everything the way this is packaged is very nice. Good quality. Kind of like old MacBooks or the new Windows PCs. They have a nice little cover for the camera right here. Obviously, if you were transporting it and stuff, you wouldn't want this to be taken care of as much as possible. Go ahead and kind of just see, obviously it needs some propellers added on the top part, but you can see I'm just folding it out. And this part, okay, so they come out towards you on that side. Oh, I love this thing. Love how it folds up like that. Look at that. So these ones on the top, obviously, kind of want to push these down again, in on itself. Gotta watch the blades. So the bottom ones kind of come in on itself, and the top ones fold back. Obviously, you have nice little kind of a landing gear sort of here. It's not very heavy. That's awesome. You can see all the specs online, see how heavy it really is. I throw it on a little scale here, but no reason to, and you can just do it on the internet. All right, so it looks like I had hit the button for the 2 batteries. All right, so you guys have pretty much seen everything that it comes with. I'll kind of lay it out real nice and neat. That way you can check it all out. So nice car charger, so when you're on the move and want to be mobile, strap for the camera, for the case. There's the remote. Yeah, when you're mobile and you need to charge while you're driving or out and about, nice to have. All right, kind of zoom it out for you guys so we can kind of see everything it comes with. Pretty awesome. All right, well, that's the unboxing. Again, DJI Mavoc Pro. Not the second one. New ones have come out. So these should be a little bit better priced now. That's kind of what I was afraid of, but with Cyber Monday and Black Friday deals, I think that it's probably the best we're gonna find for, I don't know, a couple months or quite a while. We'll just have to see. But yeah, shoot, can't wait to get this thing up. I'll show have some more videos of flying, knowing how to use it. I've flown them once. I never took it off. Obviously, the owner of that one put it up and kind of just let me fly it around. So we'll do a couple videos to see how easy they really are to fly. That was always something that kind of scared me about, am I gonna put all this money into something that I can easily just crash? But I know that they have great depth sensors. I know that they, funny story, the one time I actually did fly it. I tried to bring it home, and when I did, it wanted to. We were at a lake, and it started to come down. Well, we wondered, where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? We just never saw the drone coming back home. Well, when we finally got it, it's so bright you couldn't really see the iPhone screen on it, but when we realized it was just hovering over the water. It wanted to land, but it knew the water was down there. And so it was kind of just hovering like 10 feet above the water, and till we finally figured it out and kind of saw it to bring it up and recontrol it. We must hit something wrong with it. But that's one thing that I love about this thing is that it wouldn't let it go into the water, and hopefully it catches things, obviously trees and stuff like that. I'm not sure how well they really work. Obviously you're gonna have problems with power lines and all kinds of stuff like that. But yeah, we'll kind of go through this. I may even do a video on, I know you have to register these things, FAA, all that kind of stuff. I don't know all the rules and regulations of them yet, but if I figure it out and go along the process, I'll let you guys know if you guys are interested in this stuff. But yeah, that's a quick unboxing of the DJI Mavoc Pro. Actually the Fly More combo. So this is everything that comes with it. Hope you guys like this video. Feel free to stick around for my future drone videos. This is we'll do a tutorial of a beginner's person. That way we can see how easy or how hard it is to actually fly these things. How good we can get over a couple weeks, months, and we'll go from there, and I'll upload those as we go along. But as always, check my channel. Feel free to subscribe. Not only are you gonna get drone videos, you're gonna get how-tos, you're gonna get reviews, more unboxings, things, how to do things around the house, just goofy things I can think of so that I can pump one video a day for a year, showing you guys the YouTube process and can you make money through this? How easy, how hard is it? And that's why I get that content out there of a video a day, so I can show you guys, so I can get enough out there to get these watch times and these subscribers. So hope you guys like this video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. See you guys.